From the tranquil heights of the Mooi Plaas Conservancy, the world unfolds. Here, in the heart of the Bottelary Hills, we gain a perspective few ever see, a breathtaking panorama of one of the planet's most iconic landscapes. Before us lies the Cape Peninsula, a spine of ancient stone reaching into the vastness of two great oceans. To one side, the cool deep blue of the Atlantic, to the other, the warmer turquoise currents of the Indian Ocean. Rising like a titan from the earth is Table Mountain, its flat top a silent guardian over the city that clusters at its feet. A metropolis alive with stories, cradled by nature's immense and patient grandeur. This is more than just a landscape. It is a living tapestry woven from light, wind, water, and time, a place where continents converge and the spirit of the Cape is etched into every rock and every wave. As the sun casts its glow under the clouds, take a moment. Breathe in this immense beauty. From this vantage point, the world seems peaceful, timeless, and profoundly connected. This is the Cape of Good Hope,